Hello littles, welcome back to Bedtime with Mama. Tonight we are going to read Here We Are, Notes for Living on Planet Earth. Our solar system. One of not millions, not billions, but trillions of other solar systems. We have the sun, we've got Uranus and Jupiter and Neptune and Saturn and Venus and Mercury and Earth and our moon and Mars and the sun right there in the middle. And Earth, that's where we are. Well, hello. Welcome to this planet. We call it Earth. It is the big globe floating in space on which we live. We're glad you found us, as space is very, very big. There is so much to see and do here on Earth, so let's get started with a quick tour. And Mars is the planet next to us. It's about 140 million miles that way. Look at all that space. The planet is basically made up of two parts. We have land, which is like rocks and dirt, and sea, which is water. Firstly, let's talk about the land. It's what we are standing on right now. We know lots about the land. Some is dry and hot, some is flat, some is wet, some is bumpy and hilly, some is pointing and really hot. What is that? A volcano, that's right. Some is cold. Then there is the sea, which is full of wonderful things. We know a bit about the sea, but we'll talk some more about that once you've learned to swim. Look, there's an iceberg and some animals. What animal is that? And what about this one? Yeah, a shark and an octopus. We've got a great big whale. And the sea goes nearly 7 miles deep. That is quite a long way. That's definitely further than from here to school for my kiddos. There is also the sky, though that can get pretty complicated. We spin around the sun, and the moon spins around us on Earth. Sometimes the sky is blue, and sometimes it's not. There's air that we breathe, and there's a strata something-y, and there's some outer space. And sometimes there's snow and rainbows, and sometimes it's cloudy, and sometimes it's very windy. There are constellations that are made out of stars, and stars all over space, which are burning balls of gas very far away that you see at night. Unless it's raining, of course. And the Milky Way, which is billions of other stars and planets. See, there are some other planets. Sometimes there are storm clouds above the sea. And there's an atmosphere within Earth. Okay, moving on. On our planet, there are people. One people is a person. You are a person. You have a body. You have a brain for thinking, a head and arms and bellies, and legs and bones and lungs and a heart to pump your blood. Let's try that again. Where's your brain? Right in there. And where's your head? Where are your arms? Can you wiggle your arms? And where's your heart? Right there in your chest, can you feel it beating? I feel mine. And lungs to breathe. Can you take a deep breath? And your belly, where's your belly? Is it ticklish? And you have legs. Where are your legs? Can you stand up and jump around quietly? Look after your body. It's as most bits don't grow back. Bits that do grow back are our nails and our hair. The most important things for people to remember are to eat, drink, and stay warm. People come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. We may all look different and act different and sound different, but don't be fooled. We are all people. There are animals too. They come in even more shapes, sizes, and colors. They can't speak though. That's not a reason to not be nice to them. Wow, look at all those animals. Which is your favorite? See the peacock and the armadillo and the orangutan and the black panther and a swan and a tiger. Oh, and a camel. Mama saw lots of those. Oh, and a polar bear and a cow and a platypus and an ostrich. What's your favorite animal? You may not be able to speak yet either, even though your head is filled with questions. Be patient. You'll learn how to use those words soon enough. How many words do you know? Generally, how it works is that when the sun is out, it's daytime and we do stuff. The rest of the time is night when it's dark, save for the moon, and we sleep. Please, hopefully you sleep. Things can sometimes move slowly here on Earth. Doesn't that look nice and relaxing? More often though, they move quickly, so use your time well. It will be gone before you know it. Though we have come a long way, we haven't quite worked out everything, so there's plenty left for you to do. You will figure out lots of things for yourself. Just remember to leave notes for everyone else. We learn to fly and to learn how to put space rockets up in space and satellites and cell phones and driving. There'll be lots of stuff for you to do. It looks big, Earth, but there are lots of us here. There are 7,327,450,667 and counting. So be kind. There is enough for everyone. Well, that is planet Earth. Make sure you look after it, as it's all we've got. Now, if you need to know anything else, just ask. I won't be far away. And when I'm not around, you can always ask someone else. You're never alone here on Earth. The end. Wasn't that such a cute, nice book? It turns out it was just a papa or a mama telling their new baby all about planet Earth and space. What's your favorite thing about planet Earth? Do you like the land or the sea most? What about space? Do you have a favorite planet? Well, my littles, I hope you all enjoyed that book. I know I did. I hope you all sleep very well tonight. Sweetest of dreams, my littles.